So the owl's a spectator. We have a skating rink for a road. That van's stuck. Oh my God, I should put on my skates. And the salt truck's stuck. He got stuck, slid down the hill, he salted it and softened up the ice a bit, and hopefully he gets out of here.
Hey, look right at you.
You know, it's bad when the salt truck can't get up the road.
Well, he made her. That's just a bottle. That's all I need to skate on. Yeah. Need to skate on.
They shut down the Trans-Canada.
Where's that? Yeah. Moncton was no promo almost.
Well, Moncton too, and Fredericton and St. John.
Okay, I saw the clear there between 303 and 247.
Yeah. But Danielle was in Moncton, and they're stopped right at the intersection. Everything's shut down.